Setting up your Cricut Joy. Within the box you will find a welcome card, materials for a practice cut, power adapter and plug, 0.4mm fine point black pen, Cricut Joy machine, blade and housing, standard grip cutting mat, free trial membership to Cricut Access for new subscribers. Start by plugging the power adapter into the back of the machine. Pair the Cricut Joy via Bluetooth with your device. We've used an iPad. Download the Cricut Design Space app. This can be done via App Store or the Cricut website. Once downloaded, open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to set up the machine and create a free Cricut ID. Continue to follow the instructions on screen to create your first test cut. When prompted, place the smart vinyl into the machine, ensuring it runs underneath the guides on either side and pushes up against the rollers. Press the Go button when prompted and the cut will begin. Once complete, press Unload. Carefully peel away the design from the backing sheet. Now you're ready to start designing. There are lots of designs ready to make at the click of a button. Once a project has been selected, simply follow the on-screen instructions to create it. You can also make projects from scratch. Click New Project and use the images and fonts within Design Space Library. To find out more about Cricut, visit hobbycraft.co.uk.